All right. So this is the ES chart. We have this range of 4110 to 4200, 4211, and it has to get out of this range, for us to see a much bigger move. Until then, we are sitting ducks. However, in the short term, this 4178, it tested that rate and that level 123. I mean, even this one on Friday, it tested and failed. It went up, but it failed. So it's going to test today again, it seems. And if this moves higher, the next level is 4211 and 4238. But this could move sideways for a while. So I'm looking all the charts. I'm looking, but what I believe is we will see the move in the growth stocks first, or some of the stocks that will hit new highs. So I'm gonna I'm still making a list of it. I'm gonna post those I'll post those charts anyway. Let's go to NQ. So for now, this 4178 is the key for ES. NQ broke down that downtrend. We don't need this. We don't need this anymore. Yeah, this is probably the first resistance level. So long way to go still. This is not valid anymore. So Nasdaq is still lagging. So this could move sideways for a while. We don't know that either. So we'll see how it does. And summer is not generally a great time to add stocks. Let's look at Russell. Yeah, Russell is the same. It still has long way to go even to get to that downtrend line. What's interesting that's happening is the 30-year bonds. It went down, now it's perking up. It started moving higher. And then generally in the bonds, what happens is when it gets into a trend, it moves for a month or so. So I mean, look at this one. This is probably the best time for people who are shorting bonds. So this could probably move higher for the next, but this is what we want. We want the rates to go down, bonds to go up for the growth stocks work, assuming there is still a correlation. That's the 10-year rate. It's already below this line. So the swing out method says this is how it is supposed to be. So it is still lower. Let's see if this would break the 1.59%. I'll see the futures too. So as I said, this was a 2020 close. So we are almost near where it opened for the year. If it comes back and tests this one, this is probably a good place to buy. What's the low here? 28,900. That could still happen. Ether did not test this 1900 level, but overnight, I think yesterday morning, early in the morning, I think it tested like 1700 or something like that. there were plenty of buyers at that time. What else do we have? Crude oil. Yeah, crude. Actually, crude started doing better. It's up 2%. So yeah, this is probably something to look forward to, I guess. How is Dixie? Dollar. Yeah, it's moving lower. Let's see if it can break this level. There is some news about Tesla using luminar lidar. Uh, if this is broken, that would be good for all the commodities, obviously, because you know, when dollar goes down, commodities go up. Let's see how the copper is doing. No, still not good. But I mean, this is a huge move. It might be bottoming here. We don't know yet. Let's look at the sectors. This looks good. Financials are looking the best, and healthcare too. Not so good, but not in a downtrend, still in an uptrend in the long run. I was reading and I have been talking to a few people, and hedge funds are doing really, really bad this year because every time they touch something, it's not working for them because there is no breakouts whatsoever. All right. Material still looks okay. Healthcare looks, it's the best. I mean, it is the only one that broke out on Friday. XLY not doing good. And we have seen how Amazon has been doing. It's horrible. All right, staples are looking good too. Utilities are doing okay. Need to resolve one way or the other. Yeah, real estate looks okay. XLK not so good, not yet. So it's middle of this range. So literally there is no trade here when it's at the in the middle of this whole range. But only good thing that's going is it broke the downtrend. Actually, it's probably food is doing better than actually. Yep, definitely. How is ORH doing? Yeah, it's also the same. What's the other one? XOP. XOP looks a little better. Well, that's all I have, guys. Let me know if you have any questions. It's this one or cryptos. Either is fine.